Hello friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have closed positive today, but the candle has been showing a doji star on the end of this ending diagonal pattern, where where all the legs are in 3 ABC, and even the last leg is in ABC pattern with a doji star ending. So I think now this would be the end of this pattern, and we'll be seeing a good correction in the very short term for the target of 58.50, which is the previous swing low around these levels, and I'll be expecting a good correction in the medium term as well, as we have rallied quite sharply in last three months, and the momentum indicator is just flat, but I'll be expecting a sell signal around these levels. On the hourly charts, again a small ending diagonal pattern has been forming, and we are at the upper end of this pattern, and I'll be expecting a good correction in the very immediate run for a target of 6,059.50 in next coming 2 or 3 trading sessions. The momentum indicator has gone into sell on the hourly chart, so a sharp decline is expected on the hourly charts in the very immediate run. Bank Nifty again forming a small bearish flag pattern, which is broken on the downside, trading below 20 and 40 hourly moving average. This is the hourly chart, and a huge ending diagonal pattern has broken on the downside. So banking index has been underperforming since last 2-3 days, and it has broken the bearish pattern on the downside. The momentum indicator on the hourly charts are on the sell side, so a good sharp decline is expected on Bank Nifty. Support would be around 12,600 and 12,400. Resistance would be around 12,860 and 12,975. Stock specific action has been seen in Sterlite Industries. Today it has given a negative close, a sharp decline. It has just taken support at 40 daily moving average, but I'll be expecting this average to break on the downside. The momentum indicator is on the sell, so I'll be expecting this range to be retested on the lower end, which is around 199 levels. The support would be around 110 and 105 in the very short term, and the resistance would be around 115 and 119, which is the previous swing high. The second stock we've seen is Hero MotoCorp. It has broken this entire triangular pattern, a bearish pattern on the downside, which is a continuation pattern. The momentum indicator on the daily charts on the sell side, so I'll be expecting a good sell-off in this stock in next coming 2 or 3 trading sessions, as well as in the medium term outlook. The stock is looking bearish. So the support in the immediate run would be around 1700 and 1620, which is the short term target, and the resistance would be around 1770 and 1820. So overall friends, we have closed in the doji star pattern on the daily charts, and I'll be expecting a good short term correction, as well as in the medium term also I'll be expecting a good correction. So friends, the strategy should be to sell on rise, book profits on the long side, and go short as and when the previous swing lows are broken. Bank Nifty and metal index both are looking weak, so I'll be expecting a good sharp correction in these 2 sectors. Thank you so much.